Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on urban design will provide you with a basic understanding on how to add these types of objects into your project. The urban design tool enables you to create an urban scenario with its own roads, junctions, and traffic lights. To begin, we'll go over where these objects are accessible. To access the urban design tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Objects tab. Then in the 3D group, click on 3D Objects and select Urban Design. The Urban Design dialog box is displayed. Let's go over the Urban Design tool layout. The first three options are the drawing objects, which are roads, junctions, and traffic lights. Next is the select object, and the last option is to delete an object. To create a road, select the road object and the road properties dialog box is displayed. In the property sheet, set the object parameters. Once they have been set in the 3D window, use the mouse to create the object. Right-click when finished. To create a junction, select the junction object and the junction properties dialog box is displayed. In the property sheet, choose the style of the junction. Then, once you have chosen the style, in the 3D window, use the mouse to create the object. To create traffic lights, select the traffic light object and the traffic light properties dialog box is displayed. In the property sheet, choose the style of the traffic light. Once you have chosen the style, in the 3D window, use the mouse to create the object. If you want to delete an object, click on Delete Object. Then in the 3D window, select the required object. Confirm that the selected object is the targeted object and click OK. We went over what the Urban Design tool offers, where it can be accessed, the layout, and creating different types of objects. This concludes the tutorial on urban design. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.